Repairing a 6mm polyurethane tighten gown at the belly section. To do this, you will need a brown paper bag, a household iron, and a pen. Set your iron to the highest temperature that it will go. Place your brown paper bag over top of your gown, including the spot that you want to seal. With your pen, make a mark at one end and at the farthest end where you need to seal the belly section. Take your iron with front tip and press firmly down, starting at your first line. Hold for 6 seconds. Repeat this until you've reached the end of the belly section. Rub your iron back and forth between your 2 points 10 times to ensure it is sealed. Remove your paper bag. Let cool for a few minutes. And then pull to test. If your seal lets go, repeat your steps with the brown paper bag and the iron, holding it for an extra second.